Hi, it's Nitin Patil here and welcome back to my channel Megapixel Beast. So today I'm going to unbox this brand new Realme 8s. So let's begin. Today we have Realme 8s. This is fourth phone in 8 number series. On the back of the box you guys can see the key features of Realme 8s. This is the first phone comes with Dimensity 810 5G processor. It is also having 33 watt dark charge and 90 Hz smooth display. So without wasting time, let's unbox. After opening the box, you guys can see welcome note. After removing the box, we can see wrapped Realme 8s 5G. Box also contains 33 watt dark charger for 5000 mAh battery and Type-C cable for charging purpose. Let's open the another box. This box contains user manual and protective case for Realme 8s. So there is no need to purchase new case for your phone. Now it's time to see our main product, that is Realme 8s 5G. Here you guys can see brand new Realme 8s 5G with beautiful back design. This phone is very handy. Due to matte finish, you get best grip while holding the phone. This phone is having 8.8 mm thickness and weight 191 grams. Let's see if this phone is having dedicated SIM slots or not. Realme 8s 5G comes with dedicated SIM slots and memory card. If you want to use 2 SIM cards and 1 memory card, then you can with this phone. On right side you get power button with fingerprint sensor. On upper side you get noise cancellation mic. On left side you get SIM slots and volume keys. On bottom side you get a speakers, charging port and 3.5 mm jack. On back you get triple camera setup with matte finish back panel. Now I completed all setup of Realme 8s 5G. This phone runs on Android 11 with Realme OS 2.0. This phone is having 90 Hz ultra smooth display. Here you guys can see detailed setting about refresh rate. Let's see more details about this phone. This phone is having 8GB RAM and 128GB ROM. This phone also having dynamic RAM expansion. With the help of this, we can increase dynamic RAM till 13GB, which is great while gaming and editing. This phone comes with 5000 mAh battery. This is the use for users. You will get 33 watt dart charge for charging the phone. This phone comes with 64 MP primary camera, BMW camera and 2 megapixel macro lens. We will do full camera test in next video. If you feel this video is helpful, then please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching my video.